Welcome back, you assholes. Gonna play this again. I played this earlier this day. I played it with a douchebag named Christopher. What the fuck? Dude, that guy I fucking hate. Let's go kill these motherfuckers! Use the arch! Don't they also spawn in here? No, someone might have died. Or that was my teammate killing one of them. That was my teammate. Good for him. Fire! Never mind, don't fire! Fire that, that's my cum, bitch. Never mind, it did not hit. Looks like I missed. I actually killed someone with this bullshitty gun. What the fuck are we doing? Sneak up from the behind. I shall. If there are chicks playing this. Eat it, bitch. Ha. Aha, I got the most kills. I've killed 3, I'm the best. And her. I'm gonna keep fucking hurting you. He won't die. It blocks pistols. Fool. They got better looking guns. I'm actually gonna switch teams on them. Gonna be a douchebag. Yeah. Okay, they get better looking guns. Oh, and they those ain't. What the fuck? Why do the other guns look so much cooler? Bullshit. Gonna go shoot 'em in the ass, gonna leave 'em in the grass. And if one's a trick, I did not, that ain't my kid. If I had a kid, I'm running for it. I ain't paying child support. That would have been probably better to use on someone else. .360. I shot him in the dick, he should be dead. Did someone leave? And there was only 2 of my teammates left. Fuck, run, bitch, run. Run for my life. 316. And fuck. Side by side. Gonna put this gun so far up one of their asses and pull the goddamn trigger. Cause I still haven't died once and I've killed 5. My team is bombing it. Anybody mind the lead? No, yes. But I'm my top players. Fuck, I don't even know where the fuck they are. Hell, not that thing. Fuck, that's fucking annoying. You're a teammate? Which team am I? Where the fuck is the enemies? Haha, bitch, I shot you in the dick. I win. Come back out and face your death like a man. This gun is so much better on this team. You call me the one shot. Once that coming, some chick, I'm running for it. Nope. Yes. Move it. Instinct. And my first death. I've killed 11 people. I'm the boss, bitches. Y'all have to obey my command. And I say, all you be my human shields, line up in a line. I'll be in the main back. All of you, you might fall, but don't worry. At least I won't be dead. But that's what matters. They were shooting the shit at it. And fuck! Whoever that was, gonna get a face full of my bazooka. Teammate, you suck if you're still up here. Get the fuck out of my place. It's my house. I pay rent on it, not you. I'm your teammate, bitch. I'm beating you. If I could kill you, I would. Don't worry, I'll kill you. I'm coming for you. Bullshit. I'm your teammate. There's someone behind me. No. You're an ass. I'm a boss. I'm a boss. Suck my balls. Man. You sack of fucking shit. I still killed the most on my team. I'm gonna fucking kill that motherfucker. If he's still up there, he's gonna die. Move it, bitch. Bitch. You sack of shit! I know where you are, bitch. You're hiding out somewhere. Yeah, ain't you? You fucking suck. Fuck! You guys killed me so many times. Someone walks up those goddamn stairs, they're gonna get shot. Killing him for about 5 minutes. Did I kill him? You piece of shit! I'll fucking shoot your ass. Cannonball! Where the fuck did I cannonball? I know you were gonna go up. I'm gonna kill him first, bitch. No! I've killed the most of my team. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I died the most too. 360 blah blah. Fuck. Add that to my kill list. I'm out. Is my team winning? Nope. Fuck. These assholes are bitches. Gonna whip them a new one too. These hoes are stripping, but I'll be bitching and be flipping on be shitting. I don't know what the fuck I just said, but I'm pretty sure it's crap. I got more ammo. You piece of shit. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna leave this here. Blame this guy because I'm rage quitting, and I'm not really rage quitting, but I'm tired. I don't want to do it. You fucking bitch. I win by the fuck because I have more